Today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TS5050 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of this printer. First step is to switch on the printer, and we need to open the ink cartridge chamber. So here is the door, so you have to place your fingers and it will lift itself here. So once we lift it, you will see the ink cartridges move here. Now we have to just simply take them out. So there is a lock system, so press it with the finger and then you can take it out. So it's very easy. You don't have to apply a lot of force or pressure. Just do it one by one for all the 5 ink cartridges. And to install the new ink cartridges, simply take them out of the plastic packaging, as you can see, and just slide it here. Just place it here, so just match the color and the alphabets and press it down. So once you see the light, that means it is installed properly and it will display all the details on the display panel. Now all the lights are on, and now press the ink cartridge chamber door down, it will close it. Now go to the display panel and just wait for the details to come up here. And once it is installed, we just simply click OK. Thanks for watching.